So in case you're wondering, folks, it's cold out. Probably about -12. A lot of junk we have to get situated, figure out what's what, and set up the insulation, so might as well get to doing something. Look at that lighting setup. Bam. All with the remote, baby. So it's a little tight in here. By a little, I mean a lot. There's those sweet lights. Got a couple extras to just put down wherever. The sicky little remote. So this time we made thick socks. Priority. Light. Turn those back on. Maybe make those ones blue. Red, green, oh whoa. case I haven't mentioned it, we're on the Bruce Peninsula, south side down, Tobermory, Ontario. Decent trek away from where I live. They have bathrooms here. Luckily, there were people at the bathroom when I went because you needed a code to get in. I didn't get no code because I didn't check in with anybody. So they told me their code, and it worked for the women's bathroom. Good night, YouTube. Well, fine. Beautiful coffee grinds. Whoa. Instant coffee grinds. You know, I normally like to do French press. Oh wow. So I just lost half of it because that was about maybe 2 and a little. I'm gonna go with that much. No, we'll just go with that. This battery's about to die, so I will catch y'all once I get back to the trail where I'm gonna be going. Peace. Unbelievable. It's a popular swimming hole in the summer called the Grotto. Hello, hello. Nice and frozen in there. Oh yeah, look at this thing already. Got a little bit of a boil going to it. Not bad, not bad. This guy decides to park right here. It's frozen. Fire up the truck. Get her warm. I could have just walked around and started it. But I didn't want to leave you folks sitting here all by yourselves looking at my suit. So I used the automatic start. I'll see you guys inside. It's leather, so it should be good. Almost knocked it over with my elbow, but I think we're good. So that calls for a double Burt Bear. Well, I know it says it's only -4 out there, but let me tell you, it's cold. Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. That's all for today, folks.